Today we do makeup eyeliner. Today we do makeup surprise. Okay. Then this is last and this eyes lips. This sparkle foundation and concealer and ring and the eyes purple eyes and one mascara and two mascara to the water melon the strawberry water. This is foundation brush and eyes and two foundation brush. We got the eyebrow in red, yellow, orange, pink, and purple. Yes, light purple. Okay. This is the one foundation brush. Okay, put strawberry water and red water to mix. Okay, one little water. Okay, okay, the foundation brush. Okay, the two foundation brush. The water to mix. Okay, to the eyebrow, to the yellow from the eyebrow. Okay, wow, to the powder is very nice. Okay, to the put mascara, the mascara. Okay, first to the lips, to the okay, to the eyebrows, to the video, so very nice. Okay. Yeah. And the lipstick to the lips. I'm a pencil. Okay, wow. brush for the eyes. Very Cinderella. Okay. Okay, sparkle foundation. Do they use brush? Okay. Okay. Bye.